So I got these window and door alarms in the mail today, which I was super excited to set up because there have been a seemingly increasing number of home break-ins in our area. And I'm certainly worried about being asleep and the possibility of not hearing someone come in from a back room. So they are super easy to attach. They've got the 3mm double tape on the back, so you just peel it right off and stick it onto a flat, clean surface. So just so you guys have an example of what this sounds like, there is absolutely no way that I'm sleeping through this. When you install them, there's two pieces that are magnetized, so when it separates, the alarm's gonna set off. And a little switch on the side that makes it super easy, turn it to off, turn it to on. So right now it's turned into odd mode. Once this door opens, here is what you hear. And when it closes, it automatically goes back off. So that's easy, definitely not sleeping through that. Great product, certainly for a 6-pack, only costing $30.